So this is my asparagus. I need to clip this. They're completely dry, and I'm cracking it brittle. It's time to cut this away, and you're going to cut, you see right here where I am, you're going to cut at that level, like 1 inch above soil. Don't cut it all the way down here, just 1 inch above the soil. Same thing with these, 1 inch above the soil. And you need to do this before it starts sprouting. I am very late. This is in February. And if I bring you in closer, you'll see right here, there's like a little notch right there. So that's my guideline right there. So I'm cutting right there. This is my oldest bed for asparagus, and this year is when we're going to be harvesting these asparagus. I already cut it down. You see my cutting. The fertilizer I'm going to use is Garden Tone. It's good for vegetables. It says right here, all natural, long lasting, ideal for all herbs and vegetables. It's low. It's pretty much an even balance, 3, 4, 4. You guys can see that. And I added compost to the bed. So I'm going to just lightly sprinkle. It doesn't necessarily have to go on the ground. I'm just lightly sprinkling it because I showed you guys in my previous video when I did put down my other asparagus, the purple asparagus, last year, that the roots are really vast. They're long, they're wide, and they spread out all over. So they're going to get it. They're going to get the fertilizer regardless. So I just sprinkle that and just shuffle it in a little bit, mix it in with my hand.
Now, it is important that you mulch your asparagus beds to help suppress weed, help compete in vegetation also. But keep in mind that mulch helps regulate soil temperatures. So asparagus will break ground once the soil is warm enough. Now, you don't want to over mulch your bed because then you'll be delaying your asparagus from breaking ground. So I am putting about an inch of mulch on top of my bed.
So you guys know I pretty much compost everything, but these asparagus bushes I'm not composting at all because they have an asparagus beetle that lives inside of here that we do not want in our garden.
This is my asparagus bed. It already had mulch on it. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing to apply the compost and the fertilizer. So you just push back your mulch, you add your compost there, and then you will sprinkle your fertilizer on there and just cover that mulch right back again. If you need to add more mulch, just mulch it over once again. It's a lot easier when there's no mulch there because you have to go to every spot and remove the mulch and put the compost. But trust me, it's worth it. I want to thank everyone for supporting my channel, all my new subscribers. Thank you for your patience. I pray you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If it was, please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.